that can be used in the classroom. After the pandemic, it is very important that the student will still see the value and importance of learning in the classroom. So, we decided to create a trick wheel which is fun and useful in learning the values of trigonometric function. Why we name our project as trick wheel? We got trigo from trigonometry and the wheel is from this. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that study relationships between side lengths and angle of triangles. That's why we also use this. We use trick wheel in finding the values of trigonometric functions, especially the values of reference angle 30, 45, and 60 degrees. Each part of spinning wheel has corresponding answer here. Example, sine 30 degrees is 1/2. If you take this out, the correct value is here. To show all of you that the information in this model is right, I will show the answer by using the unit circle. As you can see in the unit circle, you want to find sine 30 degree. 30 degree is here. And sine, it's a y coordinate, so it's 1/2. Next, cos 45 is square root 2/2. For cos 45, 45 degree is here. But they have the same value, so which one is cos, which one is sine? Cos is an x coordinate, so it's the first one. Last one, sine 60 degree is square root 3/2. For sine 60 degree is here. And what I have said that sine is a y coordinate, so it's square root of 3/2. Lastly, I will show another example from quadrant 2 in the unit circle to show how useful are the reference angle in solving other angle in the unit circle. For example, tan 120 degrees. In the unit circle, 120 degree is in quadrant 2. To find the reference angle, we use 180. 180 minus 120. So, the reference angle is 60 degrees. The coordinates for 60 are 1/2 and square root of 3/2. Next, 120 degree is in quadrant 2. So, the side will be negative and positive. Negative is in x coordinate and y coordinate will be positive. The formula for tan is y/x. You use square root of 3/2 divided by negative 1/2. Then you cross multiply it. So the answer will be negative square root of 3. Thanks, Leroy. You're so good at math. And thanks, Philippine. This time, let us listen to one of the pretty girls in our class. Friends! By this pretty of this pretty girl in front of you, we'll show you on how to use the trigger wheel in the classroom. Who are the students of our study? We used trigger wheel in Mathayom 6 class in our program, where the three of us belong. How? First, the Mathayom 6 students were given a pre-test about trigonometric function. Next, the class was divided into 2 groups. All the groups were given 3 minutes to brainstorm about the topic. Each group shows 2 players who answer the trigonometric function found in the trigger wheel, and the trigger wheel is divided into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One player press the button. Once the spinning stops, the group or player who move the block will collect answer counterpart. But Tom and I will play and point with the one to say if the answer correct or not. Okay, let's try. This one. 1, 2, 3. Frank Craig got 2 points. Okay, let's try another one.
last one. Okay, this one. 1, 2, 3. Frank Craig got 1 point. As you can see here, there are 2 trigonometric functions together. Why? Because they have the same value.
Let's try for the tan 30 and cot 60. I will type for the cot and Frank will type for the tan. The formula of tan is y over x. And the coordinate 30 are square root 3 over 2 and 1 over 2. Let's solve. And this is the answer. And the formula for the cot is x over y. And the coordinate of 60 are 1/2 and square root 3 over 2. Let's solve. As you can see here, we have the same answer. Lastly, the class was given a positive and sway. Our last pretty speaker, just like me. Hi!
Thank you, Pretty Fame, for that wonderful introduction. Employ, and I'm going to talk about the result of our research. Were we able to attain the objective? First, to design and create a fun mathematical tools. Yes, we did, and it's here. Second, to improve students' memory on trigonometric function. Yes, we did. As what Frank had mentioned a while ago, we did a pre-test and a post-test. The result of the test showed the performance of the student before and after the use of the triple wheel. The result of the test we have conducted can be found on page 9 of our report. Based on activity and survey that we had, we found out that triple wheel is really fun to use because the student really had so much fun while doing the activity using the triple wheel. The students' memory on trigonometric function sharpened after they use the model. As a learner, in this world of technological advancements and convenience in almost everything, I think it is very important that the student will still have the fun and joy in learning inside the classroom, knowing that this is the best place to learn from the best organized and updated knowledge in the world. Looking at the wheel, it reminds us that problem, challenges, and trial are normal part of life. But these are not the only meaning and essence of life. They are also solution to problem, victory from challenges, and joy from trials.
And by now, thank you.
Alfred, 谢谢。And Paul, ありがとうございます。